Hello all you beauty people and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Obviously you can tell by the title down below we are unboxing a mystery box unboxing. This is my first one that I've ever gotten from this brand, which obviously you can tell by the title down below. It is from Juvia's place. So I really don't own actually besides one item from Juvia's place just because I've never been, I guess I know that the products are great and I've heard that they're amazing and the one item that I have I love, but I've just never been, I guess, the one that that brand is just something that I love. Like, I guess it's because I've never experienced it, but also sometimes the prices can be a little bit pricey. So I decided to take the plunge and I decided to get their Halloween mystery box. So if you guys want to see what I got in this box, then just keep on watching so you guys know the gist. If you like videos like this, don't this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel and don't forget the notification bell down below so you don't miss a video with me, your girl Senior D, and let's just go ahead and get into this. Alright, so this is the mystery box right here for us. It doesn't really have any tagging or anything on it that says Juvia's place, but I knew obviously when I saw the top of it and it does say Juvia's place on it with my address and everything like that. But yeah, like I said in the beginning, I've just never been a person that fell in love with Juvia's place just because I just need to try more of the products. But this mystery box is actually something they released during Halloween time. I actually found out about it from Allie's Magical Insights here on YouTube. I'll link her down below. I'm curious to know if we got the same products or not the same products. I'd probably have to go back and look at her video because I watched it a while ago when she put it up, because she's also in my girl collab group, which is our oh my god, why am I blanking on it? It is our beauty support group, our RBSG. So yes, random beauty support group. So yeah, she's in my girl gang, girl squad that we have here on YouTube. So I decided to pick up this box. Why? Because it was so affordable. It was only $16, and then if you use a discount code, it dropped it like 10%. I think I found like a 10% discount code, so I got it for actually less than the price of what it was already discounted at. But yeah, so when you go ahead and open it, this is basically just what it looks like. It's a really small, tiny box. But let's just go ahead and take that off and see what we got in here. Now it really doesn't say, it just says Halloween mystery box. Again, it was $16 originally, and then I used the coupon code that I was able to find called Tribe, so that dropped it down to $14.40, and taxes was $1.01, and then total cost of the box is actually $15.41. So always make sure you guys look for discount codes, whether it's through a content creator, an influencer, or sometimes you can use the app Honey to find some type of discount code. So I'm excited because there actually supposed to be there's 5 products in here first off. And they're supposed to be face, lip, eye, and I forget what other. I think it's almost like one product for each part of your face. So that's the part I'm more excited about. So let's just go ahead and dive into this. Right off the bat, we have this product. It says this is the Heron Glow 2 by Juvia's Place. If I'm pronouncing that right. Honestly, I don't know if I'm pronouncing that right. Heroine, Heron. Glow 2, so I'm guessing this is going to be a highlighter. It says you're a hero, beautiful mix of golden rose, gold pearls, baked in our new technology to enhance and radiant your features, or baked in our new technology to enhance and radiate your features. Yeah. So yeah, this is, oh no, I ripped it already. Why does packaging have to be so hard to open sometimes? So, okay, this is what the packaging looks like. So it is actually cardboard. I don't know what the original price is of some of these, but hey, it is what it is. Okay, so this is what it looks like. It is a square type of diamond shaped highlighter, so I'm excited because I don't own any of highlighters. Actually, the product I forgot I mentioned for you guys, if you've been to my channel before, I have the Juvia's Place concealer and I love it. Love it because it is some full coverage goals. Okay, so this is what it looks like on my finger. If you guys can kind of see there, I'm going to go ahead and swatch it. Okay, so that's really pretty. Like it is like a golden rosy shade. So I think this will look better on me when I am tan compared to pale right now at the moment. This is like a deeper shade though for me when I would use during the summertime. So it's not something I'd use currently right now because I'm using more of like the lighter shades that fit more for me during my paleness right now at the moment. But still, this is really cool to have. So now I have a highlighter. So there is that. If I can, I'll look up the prices down below or try and find something for you guys to figure out how comparable it is, because I really want to put together at the end of this and actually tell you guys what the full value of this box is supposed to be. I'm not sure if it said it on the website or not, or if Allie said it in her video, but I'll figure that out really quickly, obviously in the editing process. So there is, okay, I lied, there's only 4 products in here. I thought there were 5. There's 4. So we have the highlighter so far. Then the next item in here is the Nubian Intense Pencil Liner. It is smudge proof, 12-hour long wear, and it has an intense color payoff. It doesn't say what the color is, so I'm just going to assume it's probably in black, but let's just go ahead and open this up. Unless it's the color on here. Okay, so definitely was misleading. I guess it's this color here. So it is a blue liner. That's not really my jam, I'm gonna be honest. I'm not really, I love color, but I don't love color at the same time too. I love color as an accent, especially when it comes to like bright colors. So I guess this could be really cool if I did more of like a, what's the word I'm looking for? Empire, nope. I can see it in my head where this blue would look really nice. So we're going to put this to the side. I'm not going to swatch it because I'm unsure if I want to keep it or not. Considering that, again, it's not a shade that I really play around with, and it would just be a waste if I decided to swatch it for you guys, knowing that I wasn't confident in using it or keeping it. So again, there's that. Then we have another item in here by Juvias Place. This is called Doo Matte, literally D-U-D-U. That's what it says at the bottom. Obviously, it's made in the US. Didn't know that. This is a black lip gloss, I'm guessing. Obviously, to go along with the Halloween theme. I'm a little scared of this, but I also just bought a black lip gloss recently from CoverGirl because it was on clearance, and that's part of another video. So, I don't know. I'm unsure about this one too. So we're going to set that to the side. So I'm not going to open that one either, just because it's sealed. Now, this is the part that I was most excited about because I've never tried any of their eyeshadow palettes, and because I know sometimes the eyeshadow palettes can be affordable. Like I know the quad ones they came out recently were like only $10, and I really kind of want that green one. If I could get this open, that would be great. Do I have scissors anywhere? Or, okay, how about I use this instead? If I can open it. So there we go. But this is their festival palette, so let's just go ahead and open it. Obviously the packaging is just stunning. You guys know that Juvias Place comes with the packaging every time I see it in store. It does have a cardboard packaging, which probably makes it a little bit more on the affordable side. And then let's go ahead and open it up. Alright, so this is what we're working with. There are 9 pans in here. They're all really huge. I can't pronounce any of these for the life of me. Izafa, Uli, Ofala, don't know, can't pronounce that one. Iriji, Ora, Kikali, Abba. Okay, what is the inspiration behind this is my question. So, gathering of ritual celebrations filled with bold and daring and mystical trances, the fetish party complemented by the exuberant colors, the festival palette consists of 9 high pigmented shades. I don't know exactly what the inspiration is for this palette, but obviously it's festival, so it's very bright. Has a lot of bright colors. So this is my first Juvias Place palette. I definitely love how that has this really fun, like not black shade, but like silver smokiness. I'm curious to actually just swatch that because, ooh, that is interesting. Okay, so we're gonna put that on our hands, and that's what it looks like. Obviously it has some type of like sheen to it, and it's not like fully black. I could almost say it's like a greenish black, which is like so cool. I'm down for that. Okay, let's go ahead and do the orange shade, which is in here, and see how pigmented that is. That's what it looks like on my finger. And then swatching it So there is that as well. Very vibrant, love that. These are really fun to play with, so I'm definitely gonna have to play with this palette and show you guys probably in a future video what my full thoughts are, because obviously swatches can be a little bit more different than actually on the face. So as for the true value of this box, I'll put it here on the screen. You guys can be the judge if it was worth the money. To me, for $16, just for these two products right here, I'm good with. I'm good with. The other two products, wish they would have been a little bit different, a little bit more wearable, but just because they're not my cup of tea doesn't mean they couldn't be someone else's jam. So it is what it is. But hey, I got two really great products that I'm really truly in love with that I definitely want to go ahead and try and put on my face at some point or another. So you guys leave me your thoughts down below and what you guys thought about this. So it's the end of the video. You guys know the gist. If you like videos like this, don't give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell down below so you never miss a video with me, your girl SANDRA, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!